and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss halides of nitrogen family. The elements of nitrogen family forms two types of halides. MX3 and MX5. MX3 is trihalides, MX5 is pentahalides. All the elements of nitrogen family forms two types of halides, trihalide and pentahalide. So what are the trihalides? Here M is nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. They react with the halogens fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine to form trihalides. But pentahalides are not formed by all elements. Nitrogen cannot form pentahalides due to absence of vacant d orbitals, but all other elements form pentahalides. So here M is phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. Except nitrogen. Here is a question. NCl5 does not form, but PCl5 form. Answer is nitrogen does not have vacant d orbitals. So the stability of trihalide and stability of pentahalides. First is stability of trihalides. From nitrogen trihalide to bismuth trihalide, stability of halides increases. Why? Due to inert pair effect. Down the group, stability of +3 increases. Due to inert pair effect, stability of +3 oxidation state increases. So trihalides of bismuth are more stable than trihalides of other elements. Nitrogen form all types of trihalides with fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Nitrogen trifluoride, nitrogen trichloride, nitrogen tribromide, nitrogen triiodide. Among these, only NF3 is stable. NF3 is only stable trihalides, but NCl3 is explosive, and NBr3 and Ni3 they are unstable. They rarely exist. Why NF3 is stable? Due to the small size of nitrogen and fluorine and the high electronegativity of nitrogen and fluorine. As size increases of halogens from fluorine to iodine, size increases and electronegativity decreases. So the strength of nitrogen halogen bond decreases. That's why only NF3 is stable. NCl3 is explosive material. NBr3 and Ni3 they never exist. They are highly unstable. Next is structure of trihalides. The group number 15 elements contain 5 valence electrons, 3 electrons are shared with halogen, and there is one lone pair. So totals 4 sigma bonds are present, we consider lone pair as a sigma bond. Three bond pair and one lone pair is present. So total 4 hybrid orbitals will use. Hybridization is sp3. And case is Ma3 L1, 3 bond pair and 1 lone pair. The regular geometry of sp3 hybridization is tetrahedral, but now due to presence of one lone pair, the geometry will not be tetrahedral. One position will be occupied by lone pair. So the structure of trihalide is distorted tetrahedral or pyramidal in shape due to presence of one lone pair. The trihalides are easily hydrolyzed. NCl3, PCl3 and ASCl3, they are easily hydrolyzed and form different products. But trihalides of antimony and bismuth, they partially hydrolyzed. So different products are formed by the hydrolysis of trihalides of nitrogen family. NCl3 plus water. In this case, ammonia is formed and hypochlorous acid is formed. In the reaction of phosphorus trichloride plus water, H3PO3 phosphorus acid and HCl is formed. In case of arsenic, arsenic oxide is formed and HCl is a byproduct. So we can see by the hydrolysis of trihalides of nitrogen family, we obtain different products. This is easily hydrolyzed, but due to metallic nature of antimony and bismuth, they are partially hydrolyzed to form oxychlorides. Oxychloride of antimony, oxychlorides of bismuth. This is the hydrolysis of trihalides. Again, and nitrogen, phosphorus and arsenic, they are easily hydrolyzed, but due to metallic nature of antimony and bismuth, they are partially hydrolyzed. Now what is the nature of these trihalides? All the trihalides of nitrogen family are covalent except bismuth fluoride. Bismuth fluoride is a ionic halide, ionic chloride or bismuth fluoride is a ionic compound. All other halides are covalent. Now we move to pentahalides. Nitrogen does not form any pentahalides due to absence of a vacant d orbital. It cannot excite the oxidation state up to 5, but rest of the elements form a pentahalides. Phosphorus forms all types of pentahalide with halogens, with fluorine, with chlorine, with bromine, and with iodine. And next element is arsenic. Arsenic forms two pentahalides with fluorine and chlorine. It never combines with bromine and iodine due to less reactivity of bromine and iodine. Bismuth forms only one type of pentahalides, or rest of halides are not possible for bismuth. But stability of pentahalide down the group decreases or increases, we will observe now. Again, due to inert pair effect, stability of +5 oxidation state decreases down the group. So stability of halides will also decrease. Bismuth pentahalide will be least stable. Phosphorus halides will be more stable. That is the simple reason of a inert pair effect. +3 oxidation state increases, +5 decreases. So the compound existing in +5 oxidation state will be least stable. The structure of these pentahalides is slightly different from trihalides. General type is MX5. M contains 5 valence electrons and all the 5 electrons are shared. So total 5 hybrid orbitals will use hybridization. It will show the hybridization of sp3d and the geometry is bipyramidal triangular. 2 halogens will be placed at a pyramidal line and 3 are at the 3 corners of equatorial triangles. That is the geometry of pentahalides. But pentahalides are less stable than trihalides. Trihalides are more stable than pentahalides due to presence of equatorial triangle 3 corners. When we heat these molecules, these 3 bond lengths are slightly differ and these 2 bond lengths are differ. All the 5 bonds are not equivalents. So when it is heated, these 2 bonds will break down easily. It will dissociate to give MX3 plus X2. Here is one theoretical question again. Why in pentahalides all the bond lengths are not equal? And why pentahalides on dissociation decompose to give trihalides? Next is Pentahalides act as Lewis acids. Due to presence of vacant d orbitals, they can take electrons to enhance its coordination number up to 6. Due to presence of vacant d orbitals, they can accommodate electrons or halogens to form mx6 negative. Now hybridization again change. Its hybridization is sp3d2 sp3d2 when they act as a Lewis acid. The pentahalides of phosphorus, they exist in various forms. PF5 exists as a only molecular form in gaseous state as well as a solid state. But PCl5, PBr5 and PI5, they exist in a crystalline form, in a solid form. In solid form, they exist in a ionic form. Oxidation number +4 and oxidation number +6. Of course, coordination number 4, coordination number 6. Similarly, in solid form, PBr5 exists in ionic forms, and PI5 in solid form, it exists as a PI4 positive. Only PF5 is a molecular form in gas as well as in a solid. Rest of the pentahalides, they exist in a ionic form. That is for halides, trihalides as well as pentahalides. One question may be asked, why pentahalides are less stable and why pentahalides are more covalent. That is for a complete for a halides of nitrogen family. In next lecture, we will understand oxides of nitrogen family. Thank you.